bird keeps dive bombing the cat. I didn't realize that the cat was in the yard. Is it over there? I can see it. There's the cat. Let's see how much longer the cat's gonna sit there and keep getting picked on. If I can see it, there we go. I wasn't even paying attention to that was going on. I'll keep sliding over. Get back over there again, doing it again. Just a second, it will. Apparently the cat ain't minding him. Like the bird's just irritating or something. It's still chirping. You hear the bird chirping. As soon as I stop, it'll do it again. Watch. But it. Well, I'm going to stop right now because, well, I'm going to keep playing it back in a second. Anyway. I'll roll these windows because the dog wants to get out and potty. Get the window rolled up. If I can get it to go. Their window. Okay. Let me put it back out. Yeah, crushed up window. I'm gonna let the dog out to get pecked by the bird, I guess. Go out, go. He won't go till I get my leg out of the way. Move this out. Alright, I'm gonna get out too. Now go. Hurry, go. Go. Well, he sees that going on, he's going to the porch. I don't know if he's going to go potty or not. Drop the keys. Me and my normal stuff. Got it. Should have a nest in there. You just gonna lie there in the yard and let it throw at you? Wilson, where you at? Come out here. Wilson says, I'm not going out there and let the bird pup on me. The bird was doing that to Wilson yesterday. Here it goes. Here we go. Yeah. So we keep seeing it's got the tail flicking over there. I think it's like the road runner and the, okay, here it goes. There it goes. This cat has plans, I think. Yeah, I think the cat has plans on how it's going to get it. The road runner and the coyote. There's two of them. You can sit there. Yes, there's two. They can go into the porch after them, yeah. It's like that. The bird says, I'm daring you to get me. What are you doing? Just laying there waiting for it to get the right position and then you're going to grab it? Is that what you're going to do? And I'm not supposed to be over here in the way. Okay. Well, this is what's going on today and been going on. The cat looks like I'm irritating it. It's like, get out of the way. I'm trying to lay here so the bird can't see me or whatever. I don't know. Maybe it's waiting so it can pounce on the bird. Okay, bye.